Hey everyone, welcome back. Searching for a product in DealSeek and getting no results or a blank screen? Here's the fix. First, try broadening your search. DealSeek's catalog focuses on deals that are actively discounted, so niche or very specific product names may have no current deals even if the product exists on Amazon. Try searching for more general terms like just the product type instead of a specific brand and model number. If you're searching a common item and still getting nothing, then go ahead and force close the DealSeek app from your recent apps, then reopen it, since the search key sometimes gets stuck after heavy browsing. Also, open the App Store and update the DealSeek version 1.59 specifically fix a bug where search and search filter combination returned a black screen instead of a helpful message. So updating ensures you get that fix. After updating, check if your Explorer filters are set too narrowly. Go to filters and tap reset to clear any saved filter combinations that might be limiting your results. So all you gotta do is broaden your search terms, update DealSeek, and reset your Explorer filters. Results will appear and that's it. Subscribe.